Start. Prosecution has not been able to produce any material or evidence to establish the fact that they either pre planned a plot or conspired with each other to murder the deceased couple to carve away their valuable materials. Stop. We have also not found any other link in the chain of circumstances to conclusively establish that A1 murdered D1 or A2 played any role in assisting him to murder D1. Stop. Even if we believe the evidence of PW11 that he saw D1 in the company of A1 walking towards the beach and thereafter saw A1 returning alone after 30 to 45 minutes. There has been a time gap of about 2 hours when A1 and D1 were last seen together and when the dead body of D1 was found at around 12:30 am at the Benolim beach. Stop. No evidence was led by the prosecution to prove the fact that there was no possibility of any other person approaching D1 on the beach, which is a public place, during the intervening period when A1 was last seen with the deceased and when the crime was detected. Para. Aggrieved by the judgment and final order dated 30th September 2003 of the High Court of Bombay at Goa, whereby the accused persons / respondents, namely Sanjay Thakran, respondent number 1 / A1, and his wife Anjali Thakran, respondent number 2 / A2, were acquitted of the offences charged under sections 120B, 364, 302, and 392, read with section 34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860. These criminal appeals have been preferred by the state of Goa and father of one of the deceased persons. Stop. Earlier, by the judgment delivered on 9th January 2002, the Court of Second Additional Sessions Judge Panaji has acquitted both the accused persons of all the above mentioned charges levelled against them. Stop. The relevant facts as per the evidence adduced and the first information report are that on 26th February 1999, the deceased couple, namely Vikas Nanda D1 age 26 years and Kavita Nanda alias Priya Nanda D2 age 23 years, arrived in Goa from Mumbai for their honeymoon and stayed in Hotel Seema at Ribandar. Stop. On 27th February 1999, the deceased couple went for sightseeing at Osran Vegator with PW13 Vincent, who was the car driver and had also taken them for the sightseeing trip a day earlier as well. Stop. At about 2:30 pm, D1 told PW13 that they had met some friends from Delhi and hence PW13 returned from there. Full stop.